HTML explained in 60 seconds. HTML is the structure of the web, that is, it is the skeleton of your web page. Often people confuse that HTML is a programming language, but actually it is not. It is a markup language created for creating web pages. So now let's get into the code. First we write the doc type as HTML, then we write the HTML tag and the head tag. Our head tag contains the details of meta information. Then our body tag. Body tag is the place we have all our images, pictures, text and everything. We close our body tag as well as our HTML tag. So when you have a web page without any styles, it will be like a piece of shit. So if you go to your favorite e-commerce store and it has no style, it will be too bad. So at this time CSS comes to the picture. It is used for creating a good user interface for your website. In today's world, we typically use React, Angular, Vue as it makes web applications easily. So I see you in the next video.